Hey guys, Happy New Year. Somehow we made it to 2025. This week is really just all about a new project downstairs, which is Groundworks Part 2. My foundation is collapsing again. I should have supported all the walls, I didn't. So this is the continuation of a repair that I started a couple years ago. Let's go downstairs and check it out. Before Groundworks comes to finish bracing the north and east walls, I'm installing blocking for the power braces to tap into. With that, the gym, laundry room, bathroom, and bedroom bracing is finished. On Saturday, I'm reinforcing the blocking in the home theater. There's going to be a lot of force pushing laterally across these joists, so I'm beefing things up as much as possible. Hey guys, today was the first day of Groundworks doing the second round of repairs here at the house. Let's see what they got up to today. Right off the bat, you can see they've done all the hydraulic cement in these cracks. And check it out, guys. We've got some bracing. They've nicely covered up my gym equipment, and we see hydraulic cement everywhere. This is awesome because actually this wall especially leaks, which is why I've got these buckets with this plastic. And amazingly, currently the leaks will run down the C-channel in this plastic down into the buckets. But now that they've put this hydraulic cement in, we shouldn't have that problem anymore. One more pier. Unfortunately, this is in the shower area. However, I think I can bury all of this member in the wall. And so I'm only going to have this tiny little bit sticking out at the top, which, I don't know. I'll figure out something clever for that. Maybe we'll just do like a whole header box up here. Some kind of casing. I don't know. Figure that out. These new piers are pretty beefy. I mean, I hope they do something. Let me show you how bad the wall is, guys. So that used to be touching, and I don't know if you can tell, but that's moved out by about 1.5 inches. So what's happened is my neighbor, just to the north, has put in a French drain, and it's caused so much swelling of the soil against this wall that it's just collapsing this wall inwards. That door right there, it won't even shut anymore. It misses this door frame, it overlaps it by about 1.5 inches, which is just a huge amount of movement. Obviously, that's why we're having all this work done. So this is a massively expensive repair, but foundation's collapsing, so you gotta fix it. Okay guys, well, before I get too high off of these hydraulic cement fumes, actually they're not too bad, but it does smell a bit, so just wanted to show you what they all did. It was a really productive first day for them. I am glad that I put in this blocking. You can see I've done it over here too, behind me, and then we've got one that I did over here in the laundry room. You guys have seen all of this. Anyways, I think it's made it a little bit easier for him to get rocking and rolling, and it made, I don't know, I guess have trust issues that they wouldn't put this blocking around some delicate details like the lighting railing and some of my HVAC exhaust vents. I'm sure they would have done just fine. Also, though, I wanted to get this stuff painted black because I thought, you know, I know they're not going to paint it black, and it's probably easier to paint all the surfaces when it's down on the ground versus once it gets up in the ceiling. So I did those four for them. Anyways, they're doing a great job. We'll see how many more days it takes. I'll keep you guys posted. Day number 2. Well, It's the coldest week we've had in some time with temps down in the low 20s. I really feel for the groundworks crew because my fence is too small to accommodate a bobcat, so they're digging these trenches by hand for the C-channel braces. These braces are a lot more work to install than the power braces you saw yesterday, but they're about 30 times stronger and can really hold up a wall. That's a wrap for week 219. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, stay warm.